All right. Good morning. Happy Friday. Let's take a look here at the chart. Yesterday we had a pretty choppy session here. We had that run up, and then came down. This is where we got together. Price really just kind of went sideways, pop, but still just really widened its roll here. Now, this is from last night when it opened to where we are right now. We've really just gone pretty sideways. Looks like it's leaking to the downside, but it looked like it was leaking to the upside here and to the downside here, here, and here. So it really comes to, are we clearing out of the area here, or are we going to remain choppy? So it's very apparent that looking at both yesterday and today that it's choppy. I'm on a 15-minute chart to kind of start things off. So I'm going to just kind of doodle some lines here to see what fits. I'm going to work off of this high and look for this high here. See if that means something to us later on. Go to the low between, which is right here. So this is the first thing that I see, and this is probably the bias, if you would, for where we are. We are tightening up into this direction. With this low and this big wick here. So, really, if we broke below this, probably has some meaning to it. So we'll clone that. We'll stick this over here. This way, should we break above this area, we break above here, we know we have a target likely here. So in a sideways market, you're not going to draw a lot. And I don't want to draw a lot because it's going to just clutter the chart up and it's going to look like crap. And, we're going to be looking for too small of moves. And, if we're not going to find something that has enough profit potential, we really don't want to, look for something that doesn't exist. So that kind of covers just the channel structures itself. We tested a high area up here. I'm going to use this candle, at least this wick, high of 59, and really the whole candle is the zone, because that's what we tested earlier. See, here's the retest. So it's a level on a level. It is what it is. I normally don't like to do that, but that's what's existing at the moment. And to the downside here, we have this area of support where price sat on. And if I were to include these candles, this one comes pretty close. So I'm going to just use this area here off of this low, which is at 53. And probably the high of just that single candle, at 75. And that's what's containing price action. Pretty simple today because there's not much to have to work with. Go to the 3-minute chart, make any minor adjustments, but you can see we got resistance and we have support. And that's what we're going to be working off of. So pretty choppy. Everything looks like it's pushing to the downside, but we'll have to see if it follows through. I'll see you in the room around 8 o'clock. Hope you are enjoying your morning and have a great weekend.